Why studying feels most painful to the brain? Here is something you must know, you must understand the things. Your brain was not designed for studying, it was designed for survival. So, when studying feels the most uncomfortable and most painful, that does not mean you are lazy. It means that your biology is fighting against you. Let's understand why this happens. Your brain wants to save energy. Your brain is only 2% of your body weight, but it uses 20% of total body energy. That is extremely expensive, isn't it? So your brain is designed to save energy whenever it is required. Thinking deeply burns lot of glucose. So when you start studying, your brain starts reacting like this. Stop. This is too much effort. Let's do it easier. That discomfort what you are feeling is your brain trying to save its energy. Thousands of years, this pattern it has saved the humans for their survival. So today it just makes studying painful. Confusion feels like pain. Your brain it hates not knowing something. When you do not understand something, then immediately your brain it will send a signal. Brain scans show that the same part of the brain that reacts to physical pain also activates when you face some confusion. So yes, being confused literally hurts your brain. So your brain wants to quickly escape from that pain. So it tells you, quit studying or immediately search for the answer. But real learning requires studying in that confusion for some time. That's why studying feels uncomfortable. The dopamine trap. Your brain loves dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical that creates excitement, that creates a reward. Your phone gives you dopamine every few seconds. That's why you always try to unlock your phone and scroll through the reels, notifications, messages, chats. Studying is very different. You might study for 2 hours before you actually start understanding what you actually learning. So your brain compares the two: phone, instant reward; studying, delayed reward. And naturally your brain it prefers the faster reward. That restless feeling while studying is your brain asking, can we check the phone instead? Working memory overload. Your brain has something called working memory overload. Think of it like a small cup. It can hold only up to 3 to 5 new pieces of information. But when students start studying something very difficult, they try to pour too much of information into that small cup. As a result, the cup starts overflowing. And when that happens, the brain feels overwhelmed. The overwhelms show up the frustration, exhaustion, or the mental pain. It does not mean you are bad at studying. It just means your brain is overloaded. Boredom feels like a pain. Your brain is evolved to constantly look for something new things, new sounds, new dangers, new opportunities. But studying is often repetitive. The same book, the same topic, the same problems. When the brain gets bored, it activates similar pathways as mild pain. That's why boredom feels physically uncomfortable. Now your brain wants some stimulation. That's why suddenly you feel like cleaning a room or checking the weather when you sit down to study. Your brain is just trying to escape that boredom. The effort paradox. Here is something new the psychologist has researched. Your brain is very bad at predicting the effort. When you think about studying, your brain imagines it will be extremely painful. But once you start studying for 10 to 15 minutes, the discomfort usually drops. So the hardest part is not studying. What is the hardest part then? The hardest part is starting. Your brain confuses this is uncomfortable with this is impossible. Fear of looking stupid. Your brain cannot fully separate the difference between the social pain from physical pain. When you struggle to understand something, you might feel slow or stupid. Your brain interprets as social danger. Long ago, being rejected by your tribe meant death. So your brain strongly reacts to failure. That tight feeling in your stomach when you cannot solve a problem, that's not the subject. That's your brain reacting to social fear. Now what this really means? So when studying feels painful, your brain is saying things like, this is painful, stop. But the truth is, this is unfamiliar, keep going. Your brain might say, I'm out of energy. But the truth is, I just don't want to spend my energy. Your brain might say, I'm too stupid for this. But the truth is, my working memory is full. I need a short break. Here is the important thing to understand. The pain of studying is not a signal to stop. It is a signal that your brain is building something new. Learning means your brain is forming new connections between neurons. That process feels uncomfortable, just like muscles hurt after a workout. Nobody expects lifting weights feel easy, but students expect studying to feel easy. That expectation is the real problem. If studying feels easy, something very strange is happening with you. You are probably not learning anything new. You are reviewing what you know already. Real learning always includes confusion, frustration, and a little discomfort, because that's the sign your brain is rewiring itself. If you want to make your studying easier for your brain, you need the right study system, not just motivation. Inside my free training session, I teach students how to build deep focus, better learning habits, and powerful study system. The link is in the description. Join the training before the seats fill up. And if this video helped you understand better about your brain, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a student who struggles to study. Because once you understand how your brain works, studying becomes much easier. I will see you in the next video.